So, whew. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today, listen, I have a great one. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, okay? Don't be selfish. You gotta make sure somebody else gets to enjoy this channel too, okay? So, I've heard people doing this one chip challenge, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try it. But then I went on Amazon, and then I found something else. Now, I don't know if it's as hot or less hot or whatever, because I don't know what the one chip tastes like. But I found this bad boy. So it's Devil's Heat popcorn, and it's created by the International Popcorn Company in New Jersey. Now I feel a little crazy trying this just because, you know, that head on there, that skull on there, but I like a challenge, so we'll see how it goes. I made sure to grab some milk because I don't know what to expect, and I got water too, so we'll see how this goes. But so 100 calories, that's nice. Who cares about calories at this point? My mouth about to be on fire. So for the ingredients, it has organic popcorn, corn syrup, cane sugar, soy, candy flavor, natural flavor, and get this, Trinidad scorpion pepper. That alone right there tells me that this thing gonna be hot. I don't know why. This would have been perfect for my mom. It would have been perfect if she was here, because I wouldn't even say nothing. I would just say, let's do a video. Let's do a video. And then I just drop this one on her. Then you'll see her face. Well, let's get to it. This looks like caramel popcorn, really. See, this is all the reason why I'm scared of this, because why does it just look like caramel? I feel like that's deceiving. It doesn't even smell like pepper. It legit just smells like caramel popcorn. All right, let me pour this milk first, cause I ain't got time to pour milk when my mouth is on fire. All right, let's see. No, I ain't doing no double one. That's crazy. All right. It's hot. I mean, blood. I feel like Bombat. So, so it starts off real subtle. No, sir. It starts off real subtle, like you're just tasting. Whew. The caramel stuff, a little bit of sweet, and then boom, that pepper hits you. I never heard of Trinidad scorpion pepper before. I feel like it just keeps getting hotter. And it's just on this side because I had the popcorn on this side, so this is the only side that I'm feeling anything right now. Whew. Nope. I can actually feel my tongue going numb right now. Straight in the trash. That's going straight in the trash. See, if my friend Q was here, he would have ate this that like it was nothing. He loves spicy stuff. Boy, my ears, my tongue. Hold on. Okay, I had to let my mouth cool down for a little bit. Have you ever had something spicy and it's to the point where your tongue is just moving on it's just moving by itself just because it's so spicy? It's real tingly. I ain't doing that again. But you know what? Knowing me, I say this now, and then I find something else and I try it, cause I'm just that type of person. I say I'm not gonna do it, but just to say I did it, I'll do it. But one thing I will say, so this is not that. I don't know if you've ever seen the spicy noodle challenge. I've had that noodle before on accident, and that was bad. This is not as bad. It's not as bad because right now my mouth is feeling better, so it's not as bad. If you're someone that doesn't like pepper at all, this is gonna be terrible because I love pepper and this is hot. This is hot. This is cute. This definitely something my friend Q would like. That's crazy. But we'll see. We'll see if I try something like this again. Knowing me is definitely coming. But hope you enjoy this video. And like I said in the beginning, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay? And I told y'all this new year, videos will be coming more. It's gonna be cooking. I'm gonna start doing challenges and stuff. So there'll be more videos. So just keep watching. Okay? Don't go nowhere. And do not try Devil's Heat popcorn. Straight in the trash. Alright. Peace out.